Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to solve loops challenge. This is the title of the question. So let's start. We'll directly jump to the sample input and output. So this is the sample input file and this is the sample output. Okay. But they are not printing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what they actually want. So let's find out the logic. See here. Print the square of each number on a separate line. So we got it. So when user will enter 5, we have to print the square of each number from 0 to upper limit is 5 guys. 5 minus 1, 4. So means from 0 to 4, we have to print the square of each number. Let's say user has entered 10. We have to print the square of 0 to 9. If user has entered 15, 0 to 14. So like that. Whatever the upper limit user has entered minus 1. Until there, we have to print the square of each number. So let's start. Now I hope you are aware about for loop in Python. Okay. So if I write for, I is a control variable, int is a membership operator, range. So now to this range iterable object, I will pass upper limit is n. In n, user might pass 5, 4, 3. We don't know the number. But this is the upper limit. N I will pass. So what user want to print? Print I, not as it is, to the power 2. Square we want, right? So I to the power 2. So if you wanted to print the cube, write 3 here. I to the power 4 you want to write 4 here. If you are thinking, ma'am, simply we can write I multiplied by I. No, this is also square only, right? Okay, but if I ask you to print cube, then you will attach one more I. If I ask you I to the power 4, you write again one more I. So this is not efficient way to write the code, okay? So if you wanted to find out the power, okay, I to the power 2 to the power 3, just use 2 asterisk symbol to the power 2 we need. So write it out here 2. So this range function will always iterate from 0 until end minus 1. So end value is n. So automatically it will go n minus 1, which is nothing but, let's say 4. Because if we are considering n is 5, so it will go from 0 to 4. So from 0 to 4, you will be getting the square of each number. So let's run the code. Yeah, we got the output. Let's submit the code. Okay, so I will explain more about this range function. Look here. If you have not learned the range function, you can go through this in range. So if I write range 5, so let's see what value is coming in I. I will tell print I. We'll save the code. We'll execute it. Can you see I got the numbers from 0 to 4. Okay. First 0 will come, then 1 will come, then 2 until 4 it will go. Okay. If you pass here, no. Print the numbers from 0 to until 10. So it will not consider the 10 guys. It will print until 9 only. And by default, it will start from 0. If you don't want to start from 0, if you want to start from 2, pass it here 2. So it will print 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is the last value. Okay. So start value, whatever you want, you can give. Look here, 2 to 9 I got. Okay. So if you wanted to change the steps, okay, you can go with increment by 2, not by 1. So it will first print 2. So 2 plus 2, next it will print 4. 4 plus 2, next it will print 6. 6 plus 2, next it will print 8. 8 plus 2, 10. So upper limit we should not include, correct? So it will not print 10. So your output will look like this. See, 2, 4, 6, 8. Start from 2, print it. And then for the next number, add plus 2. So from 2 to 10, it will print all the numbers incrementing by plus 2, but upper limit won't be included. So I hope you have this basic knowledge of for loop. Okay. So let's move towards the next question.